Hey folks, we're in the UK and we're here with Simon at the Easy Grow Light Type Foil Factory, and we're going to see how to make foil. How you doing, Simon?
I'm pretty good. You, Remo?
Pretty good, pretty
Ready
good.
to see this work in action?
Okay.
So what we do is we manufacture foil here in the UK, as I've told people for the last 15 years.
Right.
The foil is all manufactured in this unit. As you can see, we start, once we apply the laminate and the brand name's applied to it there, every metre for Europe, every foot for US. The product then goes through this machine where a lot of pressure is applied, and you can see a diamond pattern's put onto it. That helps diffuse the light and diffuse the heat. Once it's complete, we then have master reels here. It's not as easy as it looks. Every reel is then hung to ensure that it's level and correct before it's wound into cement rolls that you can use. 25 foot, 50 foot, 100 foot, 300 foot. Meters, 5 metre, 10 metre, 30 metre, 100 metre. They use it in the CERN products, they use it in Hadron Collider, they use it in agriculture. This product's the best foil in the world. Fact.
Nice. Simon, if somebody wanted more information about Easy Grow Foil, where'd they go?
They need to come to our website, easy-grow.co.uk,
Awesome.
where we can give you everything you need. Remo Nutrients especially.
Yeah, be sure to check us out.
We only sell good products, original products, no shit, no crap.
All right. And we got one machine to look at here, right?
Yeah, we've got this young man here. Look at this attractive young gentleman. He's winding our foils, and you can see he winds them with an air pressure bar, so we don't waste money on cores, save the environment. 5 metre, 10 metre, 30 metre. This foil here is white both sides. There's a layer of black in the middle, but you can't see it. 100% light proof, 100%. White both sides, but there's a layer of black in the middle. And we're about to produce a new product where we'll have a spray on it, which will make the CO2 increase in the room. We can prove this, and pathogens will disappear because it'll kill all your germs in your room. Over 85%. That's from NASA. We're going to have the European licensing for that, and it's due soon. White light type foil, 100% light proof, 100% food grade.
Sounds awesome.
Buy it, you need it.
Okay, will do.
Thanks, Remo.
We're going to try this out on the next grow room, but in the meantime, keep watching Urban Remo for more coverage of the UK.